Hello, this is Mr. Geodak team on Embedded Software and Design subject 2020, and we have done our project digital alarm clock with unconsciously made additional function timer accepts stopwatch. So let's begin. I have already uploaded the hex file here. Yeah, that's right. So we click on this button and I'll wait a little bit to get rid of this awkward noisy sound when we start this simulation. Yeah, here it is. So here we have our time. We have several modes, actually not 3 but 4 modes. This is time, alarm, timer and stopwatch. So what we've done here unconsciously, we didn't understand the meaning of stopwatch, and first we made timer with ability to change the time and turn it on. Then we also added stopwatch with millisecond unit. So what we have here is months, year, months, and date and day according to the date, and the time is represented in AM PM notation, and also we can change it. So to change, we have here buttons. First button will change the mode. Second button will allow us to jump between these units, year to second, all over 0 to second. So clicking on the second button, well, let's start again. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, here as we can see, it blinks a little bit. Yeah, now we're on year, and we can increase year, and accordingly the day of this particular date will change. So let's try to change the minute. Yeah, here it is. And also we can decrement the value. Well, yeah, that's how it works. Well, let's put it, yeah, you see it also changes the hour and PM notation accordingly. The alarm works as the same as time. We can change the time like this. We click on this button and get to the second and third fields, and we can increase the value, and the fourth button will turn it on, and when it's turned on, this symbol will change to plus. This is very easy to understand and very easy to implement, and I wanted to show how it works. That's why I stopped it, because the default value is 10. So we have here 3, 4, 5, and let's turn it on. Yeah, it's turned on. And when it comes to 10, you see the lights will blink, and automatically alarm will stop. So that's how it works. The timer is also approximately the same, but the values will be decremented. So we also can change here minutes and hours and minutes. I don't want to change to show it. Well, let's change it to show. Well, here it is. It's changed, and hours also can be changed. Now I will stop and run it again to show how the timer works, to to get it 0, 0, 0, because there are buttons. These buttons on the timer mode allows us to jump between these fields and increment it, and as well as turn it on. here it is, turns on. The fourth button turns on the timer and alarm. We have 3, 4, and the lights will blink. Yeah, here it is. And also it shows the message, it is time. The stopwatch runs very easily. So start, second button just starts, and we can pause it and also run again. So this is milliseconds, this is seconds, minutes, and we can reset it to 0. So we have implemented it using CTC clock, CTC timer, and for the stopwatch we needed the clock. We used clock and used the coefficient 9186 to make the value the same as our frequency, 1.6, approximately 1.6 megahertz. So we can change the date as well, of course. So we jump between year, months, day, the next is hour, minute, and the second, and again year. Yeah. Yeah, here it is. And we can set it back 2020, etc. So seems like I've told everything about this application and UX UI features. So the feature is on one button we can change the mode, and only 4 buttons are activated for the whole digital alarm clock. So hopefully you liked it. Please share, subscribe, like. Thank you very much. This is was Team Mr. Geodak. Thank you. Goodbye.